Hey everyone, welcome to our channel's new video. Here's a cold brew coffee set, a glass cup, a motorized spinning head, and a fine coffee filter. Let's check out how it all works. The filter has clear markings, left arrow with open, center arrow to lock, and right arrow with close. Here's the slot where the filter connects to the spinning head, simple and secure. After use, the filter turns slightly yellow, and you can see the mesh is very fine. Once connected, place it in the cold brew cup. The motor head fits perfectly with the handle, and a notch lines up with the spout so pouring stays easy. The filter part weighs 156.6 grams. The full set weighs about 263 grams. 1.57 inches wide, 4.58 inches long, 3.3 inches tall, 3.07 inches wide, about 6.12 inches tall, 2.79 inches inside diameter. It runs for 60 seconds, spinning one way for 15 seconds, then reversing just like a washing machine, using centrifugal force to extract coffee. Even if the battery runs low, you can use it while charging. There are no markings on the cup, so I used a measuring cup to check capacity. Then we assembled everything and tested it in water. Cold brew ratio is 1 to 20. Here, I used 400 grams of water and 20 grams of coffee grounds. The fine mesh keeps everything in place. The first brew comes out light in color and flavor. If one extraction isn't enough, we can do multiple extractions. Here's the second and third brews, darker, stronger, and perfect for regular coffee drinkers. Three extraction coffee is noticeably richer in color. Just pour and create the coffee you like, quick and convenient. Add the same ratio of hot water, mine's around 50 C, about 1 to 2 F. The coffee comes out a bit more bitter and a little astringent. Cleaning is easy. Just take it apart and rinse each piece with water. The filter washes clean in seconds and can be reused many times.